Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2011 Mazda CX-7, stock number 6516. This ran from the 6th, 2009 to the 2nd, 2012. It has an R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Front bonnet 1 dent, left front door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy matte flat tyre, left rear taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right rear taillight, right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory 6-stack stereo, display cluster, front interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,